Hi guys, James here from Sunseeker Southampton down in Swanwick Marina, and I just thought I'd give you a quick intro to a video we did called the Sunseeker Parade a couple of weeks back. Straight after the British Motor Show finished, we moved on to the Sunseeker Showcase, which is an event we've been putting together, permanent display of Sunseekers from the Hawk 38 all the way through to the 95 Yacht. Some amazing facilities down at the shipyards themselves to host clients going forward into the future, and it's something I'll bring you a little bit more about in the coming weeks ahead. But yeah, the parade itself was a meeting at Boscombe Pier just outside Bournemouth, running back to Poole, and it was a celebration of owners together from all over the years, from the Sunseeker Hostess 17, which was originally owned by Robert Braithwaite himself, through to some of the newer models. We had Hawk 34s, Mohawk 29s, Camargue 44s, some offshore boats, the Predator 50, and the newest boat, and there was the new Sunseeker Manhattan 68 that was launched at Düsseldorf Boat Show back in January this year. So it was a real celebration. Lovely to see all the boats out on the water. You'll see that Sunseeker DNA running absolutely from the boats built 60s right up to present day. So sit back over the next couple of minutes and just enjoy what Sunseeker's all about.
Regret will better never stranger if you fight. We only have a day tonight. We only have a day tonight. To live and never pray. To play and never die. Book of stars, the dusky twilight in my eyes.